Alright, I have a 2002 Nissan Maxima, and I believe I might have just got a rod knock. So I had to pull over off the highway because it just cut off on me on the freeway while I was going like 70 miles an hour. So I pulled off on the exit. Let me get you a good view. The mileage is at 169. And the dash works. Everything seems to be working. It's a 6-speed. So we're gonna fire it on up so you can see. Nothing's on over here as far as the dash is concerned. We'll listen to it. I can sort of hear a knock in there. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Just as it idles. When I take this off, smoking white. Right now it's not that bad, but it was a lot worse earlier. It seems to have oil. I checked that. That's not a problem. But it's not overheating. But what I want to do now is show you guys what it does when I accelerate. See, as I let go of it, that's just idling low. And then now we're gonna bump it to 2,000. It's about 2,000. Look how loud that is. That's a knock. I'm gonna go to 3,000. And then it'll probably die right now. Yep, it just died on its own when I let off the gas. Sadly, this Max is done. I don't know exactly what it is, but I'm done. Road trip is over, buddy. Hey, we can't go on a road trip no more, man. Sorry.